Today on Roving Chestnut, I found a 2005 Porsche 997.1 911 Carrera S manual showing just 4,545 miles. And they seem to be documented from new. And for an early 997, that is astonishing low numbers. Finished in seal grey metallic over black leather, this looks like exactly the sort of car that makes Porsche enthusiasts stop scrolling. According to the listing, it's a factory standard X-spec car with the 3.8 litre flat six, producing 320 brake horsepower paired with a 6-speed manual gearbox. So straight away, we're talking about one of the most desirable mainstream 997 combinations. Early 997, naturally aspirated flat six, rear wheel drive and a proper manual box, which I always hark on about, don't I? Before we go any further with the details, can I ask you to subscribe to the channel if you're not already, like the video and share to like-minded friends and groups. These things make an absolutely massive difference to the channel and it costs nothing. Thank you. What makes this car especially interesting is that the mileage story appears to be backed up by the history shown in the listing on carsandclassics.com. The service record listed includes 3,142 miles in June 2006 at Porsche Cambridge, 3,432 miles in November 2007 at Porsche Nottingham, 3,555 miles in August 2009 at Porsche Nottingham again, 3,782 miles in April 2023 with the Porsche Specialist, and then 4,505 miles in June 2025 at Audi Technique Centre. That gives this car something a lot of ultra low mileage claims do not have, which is a believable documented timeline. Although with gaps between 2009 and 2023, that does need investigating if you're serious about buying. The ownership details are strong too. The car was first registered in the UK on the 14th of January 2005. It had just 3 registered keepers and the current keeper has owned it since April 23. The listing says it's been dry stored with cover and kept on trickle charge, which is exactly what you would hope to hear on a car that has spent most of its life being preserved rather than used. The listing says it was recently serviced in June 25. The brake discs and pads have been replaced, 4 new tyres have been fitted and the MOT runs out on the 26th of April 2026 with no advisories. You would have thought they would have stuck a new MOT on it to sell it if there were no issues. Just gives buyers a bit of further confidence. So as well as being ultra low mileage, it also appears to have had the kind of recent maintenance that gives a buyer more confidence. Condition wise, it sounds exceptionally strong. The seal grey paintwork is described as being very good order, with a few signs of use, and the vendor even says it's free from any marks. Paint protection film has been fitted to the front wing, sills and rear arches, and the car has also had paint correction ceramic coating around 2 years ago. It sits on factory S spec 5-spoke 19-inch alloys, and the listing says the wheels present very well. It's also wearing Michelin Pilot Sport tyres, which is a nice detail on the car. Inside, the black leather cabin appears to be just as impressive. The listing says there's very few signs of age, that it retains the factory touchscreen system, so no Apple CarPlay as yet, but that can be addressed, and that the carpets are in good condition with Porsche branded overmats. The vendor even comments that only the driver's seat seems to have really been used. The kind of claim you can often hear with sports cars, as many of us drive them solo. There are a few more details that help complete the picture. Factory handbooks are included, the V5 is present, and the private plate shown on the photos is not part of the sale, but that should not be a deal killer. As a quick search on regtransfers.co.uk, and I see other generic dateless 997 plates are available at under £1,000, and that's before you negotiate. The seller describes the car as all original and serviced and in beautiful condition, which really fits the overall tone of the listing. And this is why the car feels special. The 997 generation already sits in a sweet spot for the 911 fans. It combines classic 911 proportions and feel with enough modern usability to make it hugely appealing today. But finding a manual 997 Carrera S with just 4,545 miles with some history, recent maintenance and what appears to be collector's grade presentation is something else entirely. This is not just another used 911. like my one is. It's a genuine time capsule, example of a car enthusiasts already love. According to the auction details, the page lists the auction ending on the 26th of March at 19:30 hours. So if the listing is still alive when you're watching, this could be one interesting one to watch, especially for Porsche enthusiasts. I will put a link in the description, so if you do want to have a little check, you can just click that there. Cars like this do not come around very often. That said, I listed one the other day on the channel, but hey, they really don't. I do wonder though, would the seller have been better off placing the car with a specialist seller? Could the auction risks put buyers off paying maximum? I plan to watch the auction and find out, and if you end up buying this car, I'd love to do a visit follow-up video and visit the car, so do reach out. For me, the big question is simple. If you bought this car, would you preserve it exactly as it sits and keep it as a collector's piece, or would you finally put some miles on it and enjoy that 3.8 litre flat six-speed manual the way Porsche intended? Let me know what you think this 997 should sell for. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I look forward to making another video very soon. JP out.